Some breaking news overnight, the rising threat of drone weapons.
Drones used on the battlefield by ISIS and Al-Qaeda may be deployed by recruits inside the U.S.
Terrorist organizations and their associates are using UAS or drones with video capabilities for surveillance operations overseas.
Of particular concern is the ability to stop a swarm of drones.
Rogue Squadron is a software development and technical evaluation team that provides solutions to DoD customers in the world of unmanned aerial systems and counter unmanned aerial systems.
We try to provide drones to our troops and also protect them from drone threats.
There's a huge challenge with working in a fast-moving field like software development within a very old bureaucracy like government.
One of our main approaches is to remain unclassified and to remain agile in how we develop software and develop technology. We interface directly with warfighters. They give us a problem set and we can go to work on it immediately and push out solutions within hours, if not days.
When I think of the way government traditionally builds software, they like to build software like a construction company might build a bridge. So they have a software idea and they sit there and they spend months and months and months specifying every last thing that this piece of software is going to do.
An organization will try to meet those requirements, but oftentimes by the time they can get through that process, the rules of the game might have changed.
Obviously there's an inherent issue with that. It's like technology moves quick. You're not using the technology you were using 2 years ago. It's not viable anymore.
If you take a step back and look at how fast the actual requirements are changing, you have a problem when the requirements are moving faster than you can write a contract.
When problems come in, we answer them right then and there, and you'd be hard-pressed to find too many other organizations in DoD that can move that quickly.
There's some very talented civilians out there as well that also have a sense of patriotism and understand what we're trying to accomplish with the Rogue Squadron mission.
EdgeSource really encapsulates all of our HR services and they kind of handle all that for us, which kind of allows us all here at Rogue Squadron to do our best work.
The guys in uniform develop a sense of empathy and rapport with the warfighters, and the contract allows us to bring in world-class talent. So the fusion of those two helps us move at the speeds at which we do and create the products that we do, which no one else in the world can create.
What we've been able to do by keeping all of our code and our work that we do on the unclassed side, we can move at the speed of relevance. And that's super critical to the warfighter because it's not going to be planes, ships, submarines that really delineate who's going to win on the battlefield. It's going to be data-centric and it's going to be largely how fast someone can write software.